Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving deep into how to use the Trello activity feed effectively. This is your ultimate guide for 2025. Let's get right into it. The first step is to locate the activity feed on your Trello board. It's usually on the right-hand side. This feed is where you'll see all the activity that's happening in real time. It's crucial because it helps you stay on top of changes and updates from your team. Now that we've done that, the second step is to customize your activity feed. By clicking on the filter button, you can choose what types of activities you want to see. This helps us because it allows us to focus on what's important and reduce the noise. Next up, you have the option to subscribe to certain activities. Let me explain why this matters. Subscribing enables you to receive notifications whenever there's activity in the areas that matter to you. This is perfect for project managers or team leads who need to stay informed. The reason we do this is to ensure you don't miss out on any critical changes or updates. It's all about streamlining communication and boosting productivity. The final step is to use the details function. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Clicking on details next to any activity will give you a deeper insight into that activity. You'll see who made the change, when it was made, and what exactly was changed. This helps us because it provides a clear audit trail. It's especially useful for complex projects where there are many moving parts. So that's it. You're now a pro at using the Trello activity feed effectively. Remember, the goal here is to enhance your workflow and make your project management smoother. Utilize this feed to stay informed, focused, and in control of your Trello boards. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more practical guides. Happy Trelloing!